Welcome to a journey beneath the waves where silence speaks volumes and every mark tells a story of survival and strength. Imagine standing before the vast, endless ocean, listening to the rhythmic heartbeat of the tides crashing gently against the rugged shore. Suddenly, a massive shape breaks the surface, a humpback whale revealing its colossal form against the backdrop of the endless horizon. Look closer at this magnificent creature, and you will see a living map etched with rough textures and white contrasting patches. These are not flaws or imperfections to be hidden. They are the undeniable evidence of a life fully lived and fought. Let us introduce you to Old Blue, a majestic king of the deep who carries the weight of history on his back. Blue was not born with this rugged armor. He began his journey as a calf with skin as smooth as silk. To become the ruler of these waters, he had to endure trials that would break lesser beings in the unforgiving deep. First, observe the clusters of barnacles clinging tightly to his skin, heavy and rough like stones carried over a long distance. These parasitic passengers represent the silent burdens we all carry, the daily irritations that test our patience and resolve over time. Though they caused itching and discomfort, carrying this heavy load caused Blue's skin to thicken, making him tougher against the elements. Now shift your gaze to the jagged notches on his powerful tail fluke, a souvenir from a terrifying battle long ago. When he was just 5 years old, shadows emerged from the gloom as a pack of tiger sharks circled with hunger. He stood his ground to protect his mother, thrashing violently against the predators that sought to end his life too soon. The deep cuts left behind scream a powerful message. I was attacked and I was afraid, but I did not yield. Further along his massive back, you can see the crisscrossed white lines that look like an unnatural grid upon his skin. These are the harrowing remnants of a ghost net, a trap set by humans that nearly claimed his freedom forever. Blue thrashed in the darkness, the ropes digging into his flesh, teaching him the painful price of panic and struggle. Breaking free required immense strength and taught him a crucial lesson about observation and caution in a world full of traps. In our human world, we often try desperately to airbrush our lives, hiding every failure and erasing every visible mistake. We present a perfect facade to society, fearing that our scars make us look weak or broken in the eyes of others. But look at Blue again. Without those rugged scars, he would be just another ordinary whale lost in the vast ocean. It is those very specific markings that identify him as a survivor, a warrior who has overcome the impossible to thrive. True success is never a smooth, straight line from start to finish. It is a winding road paved with sharp stones. Every scratch on your skin and every wound in your heart is actually a medal of courage you have earned. Think about the scars you carry right now, whether they are physical marks on your body or deep emotional wounds. Do not feel shame for them, for they are the tangible proof that you fought for your dreams and survived. They tell the epic story of how strong you had to become to stand exactly where you are standing today. Blue swims on, majestic and unbothered, wearing his history with pride as he navigates the currents of the deep blue. Like the ocean, life is unpredictable and wild, but your ability to heal and keep moving is your greatest power. Remember the barnacles that weighed you down. They only served to build the muscles you needed to carry greater responsibilities. Recall the predators that tried to break your spirit. Surviving them gave you the confidence to face any future fear. Do not forget the nets that tangled you. Escaping them gave you the wisdom to navigate the complexities of your life. You are a symphony of scars, a beautiful composition of broken pieces put back together stronger than they were before. As the sun sets over the water, casting gold on the waves, realize that you are unstoppable because of your past. Your history is not a burden to be dragged along. It is the fuel that propels you forward into greatness. So wear your scars like the armor of a king or queen, for they command respect from those who understand the struggle. The version of you that exists today is the most resilient version yet, forged in the fires of your own challenges. Look ahead with the knowledge that nothing can break you now, because you have already survived the worst of the storms. We want to hear your story of resilience and how your past struggles have shaped the success you enjoy today. What is the scar from your past that molded you into the successful person you are? Share it in the comments. Your story might be the beacon of hope that someone else needs to see to keep fighting their own battles. As Blue dives back into the depths, remember that you are the captain of your soul and the master of your fate. Embrace the journey, honor the wounds, and never forget that you are capable of overcoming absolutely anything in your path. Thank you for watching Unstoppable You Now. Subscribe for more stories of strength. Keep moving forward and stay unstoppable.